What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. You found me today with my freshly, slightly at an angle installed American Muscle decal, because that means that this finally came in. Oh, it's not. Never know when things are locked. But SR Performance X Pot. About to head to go get it put on the car. But first, I'm going to give you one last cold start up with just the Roush axle back, so you have something to compare to. But thanks for tuning in. We'll head that way. Me and my buddy Casey are going to head down to our buddy Doug at D&D. You've seen him put Jared's exhaust on, Wade's exhaust on. He's really great. I'll put his info in the description or on the screen or something. But he's a really awesome guy down in Corbin, Kentucky here. So what's up, guys? So as you can hear, got the X-Pot put on. Sounds incredible. It's probably twice as loud, honestly, as it should be. Those stock resonators, what they call them, the suitcase, are just humongous, and it's good for what Ford tried to do with these cars, try to make them more European, more refined, and everything. But us Mustang enthusiasts, we want them a little louder, and car enthusiasts in general like their cars louder. But something else cool. I don't know if you can tell, but my axle backs actually stick out just a little bit more now. So I like that, so I can actually see that it says Roush on the top. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but car sounds awesome. No drone at a 60-mile-an-hour cruise at all, not even without music or anything. So that's really good. I did end up getting the rear of the axle back welded because I didn't really trust the C-clamps, and I had read that some people had some exhaust leak issues, but other than that, guys, this car sounds amazing now. Sounds really good. Probably about as loud as I'll go with it until later on down the road. Probably try to turn it into a more full race car. Get some long tubes without cats. But speaking of long tubes without cats, Jared should be on sometime in the next week or two. But we'll stay tuned for that. Probably get some driving clips of this here later. It's raining right now, but we'll kind of see how it goes. Other than that, guys, peace out. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're new. We're on our quest to get to 1,000 subs sometime or another in the future so we can retain monetization. So if you all watch this and like it, please help us out. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.